In this video, you will learn what is PyEnv and how we are going to use it to set up our test automation environment. To answer the first question, what is PyEnv? PyEnv is a tool which helps us to install and manage multiple versions of Python itself. When you buy a Mac, it comes pre-installed with a default Python version. You can see this Mac currently has a Python version 2.7.15 and it is the system default Python version. We don't want to use the default Python version for multiple reasons. A couple of important ones are: one, this is a old version and we might need a newer version for our test environments. And two, we don't want to corrupt the system default version. Let's get started with the installation process. Before you install PyEnv itself, you are going to need some OS specific dependencies. The first one is command line tools, and the command for to install that is xcode select --install. If you see a message like this, no, don't worry. It means that the command line tools is already installed in your Mac. If it is not installed, you will see a pop-up to continue the installation. Please complete it and then come back. The next set of dependencies are OpenSSL, readline, SQLite 3, XZ and zlib packages. We are going to use brew command to install all these packages. Wait for a few minutes for the installation to complete. The installation has completed successfully. Now let us go ahead and install PyEnv. The command we are going to use PyEnv installer to finish the installation. This is going to install a couple of plugins along with PyEnv, and one important plugin is PyEnv Virtual Env. Once the installation is completed, restart the terminal. Now if you type PyEnv into the terminal, before we try to access PyEnv, we have to add PyEnv to our bash profile. Open your bash profile, come to the bottom and then click on I button in the keyboard. Copy paste these two. The commands have been shared in the course. Please check them out. Click on escape, :WQ and then exclamatory mark. Now restart the terminal one more time. Now you can see PyEnv has been successfully added to the path. PyEnv commands will show you list of available commands. We are going to first make use of install command and then install the latest version of Python available. PyEnv install --list will list out all the available Python versions. From this we are going to install the version 3.8.2, which is the latest one. The command for that is pyenv install and the version number. Wait for a few minutes for the installation to complete. It has completed. Now let us see all the versions installed in this Mac. You can see the current default version is set to system. The star means the default version. Now we are going to change the star to point to 3.8.2. Now once again let us see the versions, and now you can see the default version is pointing to 3.8.2.